Okay, so I will quickly guide you through the first concept in algebraic expression that is powers. All right. So if I say, with the very basic thing, if I say a raised to the power 2, it looks so difficult, right? It looks difficult. If I say a raised to the power b, we just don't understand what is a raised to the power b. All right. So before I use such notations, I want to use some mathematical terms with you. Okay? We will start with the basic concept of addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus. If I ask you to write this in the form of multiplication, what will you write down?
3 multiplied by 4.
Because, but instead of saying 3 multiplied by 4, say 4 times 3, because I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we see 3 getting repeated 4 times. So I'm going to write 4 times 3. All right, Tanisha? Although 3 times 4 and 4 times 3, both the answers are same. But if I say 4 times 3 and if I say 3 times 4, you know what equations it's going to turn out to be? 3 times 4 का मतलब होगा 4 plus 4 plus 4. Do you think these equations are same, Tanisha?
No.
No. Now you understood? So if you are giving me the multiplication equation for this one, now can you tell me what will it be?
4 multiplied by 3.
4 times 3. All right. So this was the basic concept of addition. Okay? Now I quickly want to take down the next concept of multiplication. When I say that the same number is getting repeated n number of times. ठीक है? अभी आपको ये सब बहुत tough लगेगा रे. What is number of times this and that? Focus here. 3 times 3 times 3. Are the numbers same, Tanisha?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. I will not give you the answer. Okay, again. 3 times 3. Are the numbers same, Tanisha?
Yes.
I will teach you the concept of power now. Okay, so just keep your eyes and ears open. How many times 3 is getting repeated?
In the second one,
Yes.
2 times.
So what we do, we make this as the base and power में मैं 2 लिख देती हूँ. This is the way we write it. ठीक है? समझ गई? Can you tell me the answer for this one then? What would I do here? And huh?
9.
No, 9. What? Why did you say 9 here? Where 9?
Second one or the first one?
First one. I just want you to give me the answer. It's going to be 3 raised to the power?
3.
Yes, because 3 is being repeated 3 times. समझ गए?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, you definitely can give me the value of this. 3 times 3? 9. What is 3 times 3 times 3? 27. Am I right? Yes? Do you know the concept of cube roots, square roots, cubing the
No.
numbers, squaring the numbers? No? No, Tanisha? Can you write down in your notebook? Because then I'll have to teach you that also. Cube roots, square roots. ठीक है? So if I say कि 5 का square क्या है? ये तो आपको पता है ना 5 का square क्या होता है?
5 into 5.
Yes. Now, ये जो जो names मैंने लिखा ना, square and double, you will have to pay attention to these terms. Okay? First you take down notes. अगर आपको कुछ लग रहा है, you need to write down anything. And then you also write squaring and doubling. क्या होता है square and double? Just write down square and double. ठीक है? Now, here, if I ask you, what's the square of 5? I'm not saying square root. What is the square of 5? Matlab, 5 is getting multiplied with 5 2 times. Like there's just 2 5s there. Square of 5. Now I'll ask you, Tanisha, what is the square of 2?
4.
Yeah, square of 2 is 2, ऊपर में 2 आएगा यहाँ पर, is equal to 4. ठीक है? Remember अच्छा Tanisha, what is 3 raised to the power of 2 and you gave me the answer as 6. Remember? Abhi
Yes.
beginning में you gave me the answer as 6. I will just clear your doubt there. Okay? What do I mean by that? And that is why I have taken doubling and square, because they are two different things. All right. अच्छा आंटी, स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 इज 4 बिकॉज 2 का पावर 2 हो जाता है. पावर समझ में आया क्या होता है? ऊपर लिखते हैं हम. We write it above the base number on the right hand side. What is the double of 2, Tanisha?
4.
Because double में क्या करते हैं? 2 times something लिखते हैं and it is 4. But since the coefficients, ये जो base number है, ये same है, I can write it as 2. ऊपर में 2. ये कैसे होगा ना? I will explain it to you that also. But right now, just take down as in how you're. Don't waste your time in copying it because you can definitely watch it later. Okay. Now you will be giving me answers to find the square of 5 and what is the double of 5.
Square is 5.
Wait, square of 5, don't guess, huh? Don't guess. You do the steps. Square of 5 and double of 5. आपको पता है ना स्क्वायर का मतलब क्या होता है कि हम सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं 1 टाइम्स, राइट? 5 टाइम्स 5. लुक हियर, इन स्क्वायर है. स्क्वायर का मतलब 2 होता है, राइट? सो आप इसी नंबर को एक और बार उसी से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो. दिस इज, एंड वी ऑल्सो राइट इट एज 5 का स्क्वायर लाइक दिस. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? समझ में आ रहा है? आ रहा है ना? डबल ऑफ 5 में क्या करेंगे तनीषा?
5 into 2.
2 times 5. ठीक है? 2 times 5 बोलेंगे क्योंकि डबल में आप उसको ट्वाइस कर देते हो. 5 into 2 नहीं बोलेंगे, 2 times 5 बोलेंगे. एंड द आंसर इज
10.
Answer is 10. And the difference between square and double. So now if I say ki what is the value of 3 raised to the power 2, Tanisha, don't guess it. Because 3 raised to the power is not 2 times 3. Never. 3 raised to the power 2 का मतलब है कि 3 is getting multiplied by 3 twice. You know, there are two threes. Okay? You will be doing some sums with me right now. Okay? Take down the questions. 4 raised to the power 3. Tell me how are you going to do? Write it in the notebook and then check your answer with me. 4 raised to the power 3.
The answer is 12.
Okay. Okay. Now, Tanisha, you tell me, आपने इसमें से कौन सा equation choose किया? 1, 2 या 3?
The third one.
4 into 4 into 4.
Yes, and then I wrote 3 multiplied by 4, and then the answer I got is 12.
That is wrong. When you wrote it is 4 into 4 into 4, यहाँ तक तो आपने correct. Into 4 is not 3 multiplied by 4. Remember the first thing that I told you in this class was that when it becomes 3 times 4, when it is getting added that number of times. याद है? तुमने इसको क्या कर दिया? 3 times 4 का equation 4 plus 4 plus 4 होगा. But 4 times के लिए हम power लिख देते हैं. That is when a new concept of power is being taught to you. Did you get the difference, Tanisha? Did you understand where exactly you made that mistake? Now 4 into 4 into 4 is never 3 times 4. Never. Can you imagine doing that? It's a blunder. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is 64. So the answer is 64. All right. So आप यहाँ तक तो correct किए, but again, now see, I am glad that you made that mistake because अब आपका clarity हो जाएगा, right? Now you will never make that mistake. Okay. Let's do it again. Another question. चलो बताओ मुझे. I will write it for you. We will solve together, Tanisha. You tell me, I will write. What should I do next?
6 into 6 into 6.
Okay. Now
36 into 6 is 216.
sorry. See errors. 216. Okay. All right. You want to take one more question on
Yes.
this? Okay. Just one more. बताओ क्या करना चाहिए मुझे?
2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times.
Okay. Now what should we do? How to solve this? Now see how I am solving it. Look here. Look here. मैंने 2 ये ग्रुप्स बना दिया. तो 2 times 2 4 हो गया. ये भी 4 हो गया. Now 4 times 4 क्या हो गया? 16 हो गया. And 16 का double 32. So the answer is 32. Got it? Okay. Now soon this meeting is going to end. You can look for the ID in Mama's WhatsApp chat. All right. Now Tanisha, I'll give you another thing. पर ये उल्टा रहेगा. I would want you to write down the power. Okay. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. इसका बताओ क्या होगा? 4 into 4. इसका क्या होगा? 4 का क्या होगा? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 क्या होगा? ठीक है? Got it?
The
Now tell me.
one is 5 raised to the power of 5.
Very good.
Second one,
Next.
3 raised to the power of 4.
Good job. Next.
Then 4 raised to the power 2.
Okay.
And 4 raised to the power of 1.
Okay.
No.
Fine. Or what?
हाँ,
Zero
4
बोला
raised
क्या
to
तुमने? तुमने 4 raised to the power 0 तो नहीं बोला ना?
the 1.
Okay. So these are all correct. ठीक है? So इसका next concept मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. You have to solve this for me, okay?